Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Create a virtual env and install Python packages so dependencies stay isolated. Next, authenticate with Huggingface using your token. Export it as an environment variable so code can access models securely. Then, install diffusers, transformers, accelerate, and the correct torch build for your GPU because performance and compatibility matter. Once done, verify the install with a quick import in Python. This ensures you can proceed without runtime surprises. You now load the model. Pick a Huggingface image generation checkpoint that fits your license and task, then call from pretrained with your token to fetch weights. Make sure to choose an appropriate scheduler, DDIM, PNDMS, or LMS, because sampling behavior changes image quality and speed. Once the pipeline is built, set a deterministic seed, cast to the right D-type, and move everything to CUDA if available. This reduces memory issues and speeds up inference substantially. You finalize by crafting prompts and running the pipeline with tune parameters. Start with 50 inference steps and guidance scale around 7. 5, then iterate. Save the generated image files and record the prompt plus seed so results are reproducible later. If results are off, adjust guidance, steps, or prompt structure. If you hit out of memory, reduce batch size, switch to FP16, or run on CPU. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and restart the runtime when models fail to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.